Why your savings account is quietly losing money and what to do. What if the money sitting in your savings account is actually making you poorer? Not from someone stealing it, but from a silent force that most banks don't want you thinking about. Today I'm breaking down exactly what's happening to your savings and the 3 moves you can make right now to stop the bleeding. Welcome to Fuel Your Wealth, where we break down smart money moves and AI tools to help you build real wealth. Let's get into it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The average savings account in America pays around 0.5% interest per year. Sounds fine, right? But inflation, the rising cost of everything from groceries to gas, is running at 3 to 4% per year. That means if you have $10,000 sitting in a regular savings account, you're effectively losing $300 to $400 of purchasing power every single year. Your balance looks the same, but what it can actually buy is shrinking every single year. So, what do you do about it? 3 moves. Move number 1, switch to a high-yield savings account right now. These are regular savings accounts offered by online banks that pay 10 to 20 times more interest than traditional banks. We're talking 4 to 5% APY compared to 0.5%. On that same $10,000, that's the difference between earning $50 a year and earning $500 a year. Same money, same safety. Just a smarter place to park it. Look up Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, or SoFi. All offer competitive rates and take about 10 minutes to open. Move number 2. Don't let cash sit idle. Money you won't need for 6 months or more should be working harder. Consider I-bonds or Treasury bills, both backed by the US government, both paying better than most savings accounts right now. You can buy them directly at TreasuryDirect.gov with as little as $100. No fees, no middleman. Just your money growing safely. Move number 3. Use AI to automate your savings strategy. Apps like Wealthfront and Betterment now use AI to automatically move your money into the highest yielding accounts, sweep excess cash into investments, and rebalance your portfolio without you lifting a finger. Set it up once and your money is always working at maximum efficiency. Here's the bottom line. Keeping money in a low-yield savings account in 2026 is like leaving your car running in the driveway going nowhere. The money is there, the engine is running, but you're not getting anywhere. Make these 3 moves and put your savings to work. If this was helpful, subscribe for more weekly money tips and AI strategies. And check out the next video right here. See you there.